Hello everyone, welcome back to our PROCREATE tutorial series. In today's video we are going to start drawing with our brushes that we have. Alright, let's create a custom canvas first. I want to create a new one and I'm going to make it 1000 by 1000 pixels. So basically a square. You want to check the DPI as well. If you want your canvas to be able to be printed, you need to be able to set the DPI to at least 300, which means that it will be very high quality. As you can see here, it will already display the maximum layers, which are a lot. We are not going to use 264 layers. We are going to use 10 at most. Alright, we got our color profile. CMYK is very useful for printing. RGB is very useful for digital content. And now we are going to use RGB. We got the time-lapse settings. The time-lapse is going to be able to be exported once we finish the artwork. And we got a few different options. I personally do not recommend doing a 2K or 4K speed paint because it's going to be very heavy on the iPad memory, which is already very limited, so just choose the first option and good quality will do. We got the canvas properties. We can adjust the background color already. We are able to edit it later, of course, and we can choose to hide the background or keep it as it is. We're going to keep it as it is for now and create the canvas. There it is, our little canvas. Now we are going to see what brushes we can use. First, I recommend use the sketching brushes from the classic library, as I've been using them for years, especially this Narinder. And we are going to go to the disk and select a black. We can start drawing immediately. I have drawn a circle here. We are going to draw a little cat. Of course, you will want to undo, as we've said in earlier videos. You can tap with your index and middle finger at the same time, and that's it. You can undo your strokes. And so that's basically it. Now let's draw a little circle for the face, little triangles for the ears. And for now, we're going to leave it as it is, because this is the base of our drawing. Now, what we're going to do is add a new layer in which we will add the details. I definitely recommend choosing a new color, a bright color like red, which is going to be visible. Here we are going to select the area for the muzzle and maybe draw a little color here. So basically this is a little sketch of the color. And now that we've done this, we can proceed to add a few more details. Let's add yet another layer with yet another color, so we can keep everything nice and separated. And let's add a bit of fur maybe on the sides, and little nose, little mouth here, so it's cute and cuddly. And of course, don't forget the eyes. As you can see here, it's very simple. Let's add little eyebrows. This is going to be a cute cartoon kitten. Let's add some details to the ears. And that's it for the sketch. Now that we've done sketching, the few different features, we're going to just draw the head right now. Of course, we can merge the layers, or we can simply choose to do this. But it's not really functional, is it? So let's reactivate them and merge down and merge down again. So now it's just one layer and we can adjust it in order to fit the canvas, as we've seen here. Alright, now that we've done this, you can choose to lower